Hello children, let us now continue with our chapter number 3, rational number. Today we are going to learn about multiplication and division of rational numbers. So let us start with first one, that is multiplication of rational numbers. So suppose a and b and c and d are two rational numbers, then a by b into c by d will be, we will multiply the numerator separately and the denominator separately. We'll see whether we can cut any of this number, that is numerator and the denominator, and then write it in the lowest form. Let us take certain example. Here I have taken example a by b I have taken as minus 4 by 7 and c by d has 14 by 3. So I will multiply that minus 4 by 7 into 14 by 3. So I'll multiply the numerator minus 4 into 14 and denominator 7 into 3. So here just see that whether we can cut any number. So yes, I can cut by 7 and 14, that is 7 ones are 7 twos are. So my answer will be minus 4 into 2 divided by 3, that is equal to minus 8 by 3. No, you have to remember that if any rational number is given in the mixed form, then you will first convert it into the form of p by q and then find the product. So now let us continue with what is multiplicative inverse of rational number. So multiplicative inverse is also known as a reciprocal, that is of p by q is q by p. So when I multiply the number, that is the rational number p by q and its multiplicative inverse, I get the multiplicative identity, that is equal to 1. So let us take an example here. So 3 by 7, its multiplicative inverse is 7 by 3. That is when I multiply these two, I am going to get multiplicative identity, that is equal to 1. So let us take 0. So now 0 can be written as 0 by 1. So its multiplicative inverse will be 1 by 0, which is not defined. So I can say that reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 0 does not exist. So let us now continue with division of rational number. So here I have two rational number p by q and r by s. So p by q divided by r by s will be, I will take the reciprocal of the divisor and I put a multiplication sign between the two rational numbers. So it becomes p by q into s by r. Let us take an example, that is 15 by minus 36 divided by minus 5 by 18. So I will take the reciprocal of the divisor, that is minus 5 by 18, and put a multiplication sign between these two rational number. So it will be 15 by minus 36 into 18 by minus 5. So I will divide 18 and 36. Similarly, I divide 5 and 15. So the answer will be 3 into 1 in the numerator, and in the denominator it will be minus 2 into minus 1. So the answer will be 3 by 2. I can convert this into mixed fraction, that is 1 by 2. Let us take one more example, that is example number 2. 45 divided by minus 30 by 7. I'll convert 45 in the form of p by q, that is 45 divided by 1 into 7 by minus 30. 45 and 30 come in 15's table, so I divide it 3s and 2s. So the answer will be 22 divided by minus 2. So I can write it as minus 21 divided by. So we will start with certain problems from exercise 3.3. So here let us solve F1. So the question is 210 divided by minus 256. You have to multiply it by minus 158 by 70. So first let us convert this mixed rational number into improper form, that is minus 1 into 70, that is 1 into 70 plus 58, that will be minus 128 divided by 70. Now you can see that 210 and 70 are divisible. So 71s are 73. So it becomes similarly minus 128 and minus 256 also is divisible. That is 128 ones are 128, 2s are is 256. So when I divide, I get the answer as 3 by 2. I can convert this into mixed form, that is 1 by 2. Now let us come to the H1, that is minus 1. 2 by 9, I have to multiply by 27 by 55. So first I convert the mixed form into improper form, that is 1 into 9 plus 2, 11 by minus 11 by 9. So I have to multiply by 25 divided by 55. So now 11 and 55 are divisible, that is 11 ones are 11 5s are. Similarly 9 and 27 also are divisible. That is 9 ones are 9 3s are. So I get the answer as minus 3 by 5. So let us continue with question number 4. Evaluate. So here I'll be solving C1. That is, we have two brackets here. That is, we have to first minus the two rational number in the first bracket and add the two rational number in the second bracket and find the product of the two. So the question is 7 by 9 minus 11 by 12 into 36 by 5 plus 24 by 7. So first one, 9 and 12 is there. So the LCM is 36 and the numerator will be 28 minus 33. In the second bracket, the LCM is 35 and the numerator will be 252 plus 120. So the answer of the first bracket will be minus 5 by 36 and the answer of the second bracket will be 372 by 35. So I will find the product of this, that is, I'll simplify. I get the answer as minus 31 by 21. So I convert that into a mixed form, that is minus 1 10 by 21. So now let us come to the question number 7. It says that I have to find the multiplicative inverse of the following. So multiplicative inverse of 17 by minus 29 will be the reciprocal of that, that is minus 29 by 17. Similarly, reciprocal of 1 will be 1 by 1, that is 1 only. Reciprocal of 3, 1 by 2. First I'll convert that into this fraction, that will be 7 by 2 and the reciprocal of that will be 2 by 7. Last one, minus 1, the reciprocal will be minus 1 only. Now let us come to the next operation, that is the last operation of rational number, that is division. Here I will be solving the A1. So we have 5 by 11 divided by minus 15 by 22. I'll put a multiplication sign between these two rational number and take the reciprocal of the second one, that is 5 by 11 into 22 by minus 15. 11 and 22 are divisible. Similarly 5 and 15 or minus 15 also I can divide. So the answer will be 2 by minus 3. Let us come to the C1, that is 8 by 9 divided by 4. Now I will put a multiplication sign between these two rational number and take the reciprocal of the divisor. It will be 1 by 4. I can divide 4 and 8. So the answer will be 2 by 9. Let us come to the even, that is 1 by minus 7 divided by minus 1 by 14. 1 by minus 7 into 14 by minus 1. It will become, when I take the reciprocal, put in a multiplication sign between the two rational number. When I divide that, that is minus 7 and 14, when I divide, I get the answer as 2. So we'll continue with question number 12. The product of two numbers is minus 81 by 91. One of the numbers is minus 9 by 7. Find the other number. So one number is minus 9 by 7. Product of the number is minus 81 by 91. So other number will be minus 81 divided by 91 divided by minus 9 by 7. Minus into minus will be positive. So now I can write it as 81 divided by 91 into 7 by 9. I have taken the reciprocal of the second number, that is a divisor. Now 9 and 81 are divisible. Similarly 7 and 91 are divisible. I get the answer as 9 by 30. So children, let us now come to question number 22. It reads that how many pieces of length 3 by 4 centimeter each can be cut from a rope of length 30 centimeter. So total length of the rope is given 30 centimeter. Length of each piece, that is 3 by 4 centimeter. So number of pieces will be 30 divided by 15 by 4. That is, I converted 3 by 4 into improper form. That is, the 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. So 15 by 4. So I will take the reciprocal of the divisor and put a multiplication sign, that is 30 into 4 by 15. 30 and 15 are divisible, that is 2s are. So I get the answer as 8 pieces. Thank you children. We will continue in our next video.